Hey everyone, this is Jake, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Blum clip-top hinge using Shaper Origin. Today I'm doing a full inset Blum Motion INSERTA hinge, which means no hardware required. It pops in and clamps down to secure itself. Let's start over on Shaper Hub to download the file. I'm here in the hardware catalog, and I've searched for Blum and chosen the clip-top concealed hinge. Here you can see I have all the relevant information, including a thumbnail of what the file is going to look like, and all the relevant PDFs for the actual installation of this thing. Let's go ahead and sync to my files, and come back over to Origin. I'm going to be working with Plate today, as it's the perfect application and perfect tool for repeatable cuts. I'm going to set this up once and cut all of my hinges. Here I have marked my 2 hinge locations at 128 millimeters in. I'm going to deploy my front fence and line up with my pencil mark. Bring in an origin. I'm going to go to my Blum workspace. Now, let's go into Import, grab the Blum clip top. We have a couple of options here, all the different ranges from screw on, expando, knock in. I want the Inserta. Now, positioning for this depends on the material thickness that you're using for your doors. I'm using 18 millimeter ply, so according to their PDF, it tells me that I need to position this 5 millimeters from the edge. So I will do position in the Y direction. We know that my bottom edge is 50, but we need to subtract 5 to get the right positioning. Green button to place, and we're ready to go. Couple of passes here, pocket 2 depths, then an inside cut, and I'll use helix to cut the Inserta holes. Here we go. There we go. Now I can take my hinge, pop it down, and lock it into place. For the next one, same process. Line yourself up to your pencil line, make sure to retract your fence, and repeat the cuts. Clear my cut history here, and turn auto pass back on. Change that back to a pocket. Here we go. go ahead and pry my old one out. And there we have it. Cabinet door, ready for install. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.